And now for something completely different. Hello, lemon meringue. It's because of the unusual color and the unusual shape of the flowers. But if you come closer and have a close look, these flowers are short pedicels and open flowers. But you know the curious thing about these flowers are that when the flowers open like that, the arrow still doesn't want the bees to get to the nectar. So they put some ingredient into the nectar that the bees don't want. So when you see bees on here, all they're doing is they're collecting pollen. So it's protecting its nectar for the birds because they will come and pollinate it. Isn't this a beaut? Lemon meringue.